Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Cash App not working. If you are using Cash App and your Cash App is not working or it's not opening, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So basically it happens when you are using your Cash App in the country or region where Cash App is not available, or sometimes it happens due to poor network connection or due to some bugs with your Cash App. So let's see some possible fixes. So the very first, you have to double check your network connection that you have a strongest network connection, and after that you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So open settings, go for general, or then go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find any connected VPN, try to disconnect that, and after doing that you just have to retry to open your Cash App, or you can try to reset all of your network settings. Go to transfer reset, select reset option, select reset network settings, enter your passcode and select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop up, and after that it will fix all the issues if you have any network issue. Or after that, there's a setting second option is if Cash App is not supported by your country or region. So you just have to open your settings. So the very first, you have to change region of your iPhones. Go for general, go for a language or region, select region, and you have to select the region in which Cash App is supported or available. So I recommend you can use United States or United Kingdom. So you have to do the same thing with your Apple IDs. Open your App Store, tap on your profile in the top right corner, select your account from here, and then select change country or region option, and you have to select the same country or region which you have selected for your iPhone. And once you have selected, your issue will be fixed. Or if you are still having the same issue, so it might be that there will be any bug with your Cash App. So you have to open your settings app, then go for general, go for iPhone storage, and you just have to look for Cash App from here. Once you find Cash App, select that, select offload app, then select offload app again. Once you have offloaded your app, you have to tap on reinstall app. So it will completely reinstall app on your phone. So if there will be any bug or issue with your Cash App, it will be fixed in this step. So in this way, you can easily fix if your Cash App is not working on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.